I've no problem with that. At the moment, it's not the media, it's the lights, and it's affecting my eyesight. So if I can rest them for like, not read for about 20 minutes, it will definitely enable me to pick up speed once we commence. So what is the suggested time to commence?
I think we should take half an hour. Half an hour, Your Worship. This lady passed. So if we could
I'm
take
very
it.
bad.
Yes, Your Worship.
It's
We could
only
take half
because
an
of
hour.
the strain on my eyes and the lights
Yes,
here.
Your Worship, please. But the proposal would be half an hour, Your Worship.
Okay, so let us say it's 10 to 1 by the time all agree. Can we say 1:30 we will be ready
Yes,
in
Worship,
court
please.
to proceed?
Yes, Your Worship.
Thank you.